But it came with, this is my only instructions after 4 years of sitting around. It's,
they're still legible.
It's something. I think there was more, but I just don't remember at this point. Yeah, it comes with this hardware. It comes with these, like, squishy things to keep it from rattling.
Yeah, I was going to say to keep, like, isolating it a little bit.
Yeah, this is what it came with. And there's a couple little brackets in here, too.
But you can figure it out.
We'll figure it out. I can look up the directions online, too.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a PDF that we can download.
Yeah. Then there's more. And some of it, like this is for quarter trim, so I mean some of it is labeled.
Oh yeah.
He did a good job, I just didn't. Was storing it and everything. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna brag about myself real quick. Check out this tattoo I did the other day. Let me adjust this GoPro. But yes. Hell yeah. Little anglerfish. He is so sick. Battery ride height is set.
Dilemma.
Dilemma? Too long?
Studs hit the floor. We need to cut them. What do you got?
What do I have? I have an angle grinder.
Do you?
I do.
Do you have like massive bolt cutters? Because that'll also do it.
I don't think so.
No? Okay. No, we can just...
Oh yeah. This is very safe. Right here? Right there. Okay. Alright, first step is done. Ryan drilled out the holes for me where the battery tray is gonna go. Right here. Yep. Okay. Okay, pro tip. If you still have your sound deadening, make sure that you scrape it off so that the riv nut will sit and not break.
Nice and flush.
Nice and flush. Yes.
Very well.
Oh my goodness, that big bug in here. It like flew over there.
Where's she at?
Oh, I don't know. It was like one of those flying grasshoppers.
Pretty good too.
There you go. Alright.
You're gonna need a socket or something for these though.
10 mil?
Yeah. I would say so.
Okay.
Yeah, looks like a 10.
Alright, here is battery tray. And there's my old battery tray. I held on to it. Had that in the car for about 4 years. Something like that. Yeah, you could tell. Alright, step 2.
Also install the quarter trim panels prior to any of the seat delete, if purchased. Did you purchase that?
What is it? The trim panels?
The quarter trim?
I didn't realize I had all that.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. That's great. That deletes all of that. Yeah, the owls are getting freaky out there.
Almost sounds like a kookaburra.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the weather owls. Yeah, these things. So this has to be installed next before the rest.
Yes.
These things. Confused. I am confusion.
Quarter trim.
So to install these, we're going to put these little things in these holes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Just like that. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, just copy.
I'm copying what you're doing over there.
Because we don't use all of them.
We don't use all of them.
Yeah, all but 2.
Let's see, that one goes in that. What? Yes. There we go. Out of the way, seatbelt. Did we use that one? Nope, you didn't use that one. That one. Okay.
Yours might be different as well.
Oh, well, let me use my brain.
No.
I didn't want to, but
It's the same.
that I have. Oh, I need this one down here. Okay.
And of course, there's different like screws too.
And then there's one on the end over there. Where does that one go? Oh, it's where this thing is. That needs to come. Oh, it came out very easily. That's nice. Okay, we'll put that in there. Okay. What about this wire? That should cover it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. It just kind of like comes down there and then.
Got everybody accounted for?
Sometimes. Okay, so I messed up a little bit. I ordered the option for harnesses, so that's why there's literally no space there for the seatbelt. I do want harnesses eventually, and I will have them, but just for now, I'll just loosen these so I can at least use my seatbelts. But yeah, I guess there's two options, and I ordered the wrong thing, so that's okay. Eventually, I'll have a cage and I'll have harnesses and all that cool stuff. But yeah, little by little. Okay, we got the side panels on. Check these things out. There's one and two, and there's the little battery trays. Now to the next step, which is gonna be the things that go right here. Okay, what do you got? I'm feeling it, Mr. Krabs. Let's see.
Need hardware.
Hardware. Not software?
Hardware.
Hardware.
Okay.
Hmm.
We'll just,
Interesting. Oh, hey. That makes it easier.
It's so jealous you can sit cross-legged right now.
Oh, you can't do that?
I want to. I'm scared.
Oh, I see them now. Look, the bolt holes are right there.
Yep.
Ooh, I need to put my... I don't know how I'm going to run my fuel pump wiring, but we're going to Bluetooth it or something.
We'll do it under the car or something if we need to. So,
yeah, look, it goes right there. Boop,
yep.
boop. Part 2 of step 2. So these need to snap onto the top of this, correct?
See.
Okay.
With the, yeah.
There's 1, 2, and 3.
Hey, Mr. Owl.
Yeah, I'm the owl from the lollipop commercial. Nobody ever gets that reference. Does the one go on the side too, or no?
Side?
Or
no.
No.
That's
gonna be something else. Okay. Sounds good. Oh, put this in my. Dang, you're quick.
Get on my level.
I'm trying. I believe in same-day service, but I'm also lazy, so.
You're supposed to use.
There we go. This and this right here.
I understand that.
They're not even.
So to do it to our best ability.
Well, maybe the ability wasn't good enough.
Now we need to tighten that one. To get it.
It only goes in one way because it's uneven.
See.
Interesting. Probably where the bolt holes line up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this piece is on now. Little back thing. Oh, you gotta put more inserts on it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll put these right here. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm not in.
There we go. Oh, you got the other one?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay. Next
4.
main bottom panel, followed by the top divider.
The big thing?
The big one.
Hey.
The big one.
Moving along.
Sure does.
Bring it around town. It's okay. We'll figure out its orientation. Probably like that.
This is the narrower end. Probably like this. would say like this.
What's it? Yeah, because it's gonna be wider up front.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, we're going to install these little strips right here, and that's going to help reduce noise and rattling. Now what?
Guess I'm just throw the bolts on it. Yeah.
Alright, so we have to put this piece on as well.
So we should definitely tape this up as well.
Oh yeah, okay. Alright, now put it back. There you go. Alright, this has to be done at the same time.
And from the back.
Nice.
Is
It's gotta be the big ones because it's a big thread. Look. Look. The small ones are a smaller thread. I literally put this in there. There's 2 of these.
yeah, but I can't even get this. Oh.
Yeah.
It actually
Ooh, does this go with a big washer? It goes with that? There's only one big washer.
Next one.
Did that with a washer. Okay.
Yeah, I think it grabs.
Here's the last, almost last pieces.
That goes there like this and that and that. Okay.
So it twists around and does the thing. Yeah. Yeah.
They're not symmetrical, are they? Like that.
Like what? I'm gonna put the bucket like that.
Yeah, I believe
Okay.
so.
I like that. So like this.
Yep.
Like
No washer.
like that. Okay.
I think.
Okay. So guide me. Does this go like this?
I don't. I think it goes the other way. Give her a
Goes
flip.
like
Yep.
that?
Yep. I think
Okay.
that's
Just
right.
can't see what the heck.
I'm trying to like.
Alright, I'm getting that bolt on, and you're wrapping that. Wrapping that with that rubber stuff. Nice.
This top piece, but
Okay.
you definitely want to do these because they all contact that.
Right, they all touch at some point.
Yeah.
Alright, so starting down here, add this little lift. It's kind of, come on. Oh, I'm dumb. I had it upside down. I'm like, go on there, you idiot. But it's me. It's literally me. This up there. Now we put this little thing on the bottom here.
Yep.
Yep. Come on.
Oh, cool. I thought we were done or not. We're good.
We're good. Can you just go on there? Why do you have to give me a hard time? Yeah, thank you. Alright, now we just slide it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That goes.
That goes on the other side of that. Oh, this goes on the inside of that. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Let me show this.
Keep it
Alright,
nice
so
and
this
flush on top.
goes on the inside of that. Oh, yep. Beautiful. Yeah, I can't wait to actually love this car again and give it the attention, the love, and everything it deserves. I've like kind of gotten away from myself for a while. Alright, so I'll put this way. Okay.
That's way better. Oh, you gotta put a nut in that one too.
Huh? A nut on the other side of
On
it?
the bracket. You didn't put one
What
on
do you
yet,
mean?
right? I don't think I put a nut on that bracket. One of these clip nuts. I don't think I did.
I did not.
Yeah.
You see? Alright, one of these will go on the little bracket thing back here. Come on. Oh god. Don't fight me. Looking good. Okay. So there's different options you can get. I believe you can get it flat. You can get it with cubbies, without. I wanted the cubbies on both sides because my battery will be going in here. And I wanted storage for like my premix and my little containers and maybe some tools or something. Over there. All the storage space. Yes.
You need to bend these.
We need to bend these.
And a nice trick to keep them without chewing them up and everything is use dust tool, clamp it down. And you can easily bend it and keep it flat still.
Ooh. Fancy.
This one, you gotta go really vertical.
Very nice. And there.
Put the nuts on, bolts on.
I'm gonna put these things on here. Come on there. My weak hands.
Your wing nuts.
My wing nuts.
Wing bolts. I guess they're not nuts.
Wing nuts. Oh, this is a bolt?
There's a bolt,
This was created?
right? A wing,
Wow.
wing bolt.
Wing bolt. We're just winging it. Oh yeah. Fully optioned out. Oh man, I'm not even, look, idiot. Don't even got the camera on the thing. Wing bolts. Not even wing nuts. Wing bolts.
Wing bolts.
Wing bolts. They can fly away. They can fly away and be free. What are you thinking with this one?
Thinking this one, we get creative.
Get creative in what
We
way?
buy like a 10-inch piano hinge to put here,
So I can
bolt that
open
in.
and close it?
and like you could literally open and close it.
So I just put like a piece of something soft there so it doesn't rattle?
Yeah, exactly. If you get more of that door edging, and you can
Yep.
cover the whole thing, and it won't rattle. Yeah, because we only have like a 4-inch piece left, right?
Yeah, it's nothing. Yeah. That
You can even
would
get
work.
fancy and do like latches instead, like quick
Something.
latch.
Yeah, because this one I want to access quick. This one
Exactly.
obviously I'm not going to
Have
touch.
Oils and have it done.
Yeah, just install it for now, everything, and then I'll get fancy later because I'm not going to have time now.
Yeah.
I got some shows and some things I got to prepare for, and I'm not going to have that extra bit of time for creativity. Right now is the creative time, and I have like a list of a million things that I've got to do. And there you have it. This is the LRB Speed interior delete kit. And just the front section. He makes other sections for the rear. Personally, I just wanted this one. I might invest in the future and get the rear as well. But I'm very happy with this. It looks very good. I'm just going to do a little walk around and show you guys. Beautiful.